what you're looking for, you want to run it off an air compressor.
Yeah, is that the most less expensive to get me started?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, the most cost-effective one to get started is this unit right here. Now, with that little setup, I can do up to 75, 80 pounds. But if you're doing three-piece modular bell guard and such like that, now, what will it run off of? Typically, it'll say on here, 6.5 CFM. It'll run really well at that, optimum. I have a DeWalt 2 tanks. I bought it at Home Depot years ago. It's about $350. I usually would say it's about that range for an air compressor that's going to have 4 to 6 CFM. And you'll be good.
Okay.
To do these size products where your biggest piece might be, it's 40, 45 pounds for your big rectangle. And that'll hold it fine. If you think you're going to do a little bit bigger, instead of saying before you go and get a bigger air compressor, you'd buy one extra pad that's a size up. So, like that. If I was doing this 3-piece, this piece here, this will work much better on that than that blue one because it's elongated. But it'll still work on that small one. So starting with that for your basic 3-piece is your most cost effective.